Hello, this is V with Timeless Elegance Design. I hope I'm finding everyone well and everyone are staying safe. Today I'm bringing you another tablescape. It is called Hollywood Glam Tablescape 2020. The host of the tablescape is Glamorous Ellen, and Ellen's co-host is me, myself, and DIYing it, Tammy. Today our challenge was to decorate our tablescape Hollywood style. So let me take you right into my tablescape. My table is set for 4. I'm using my white linen, my black charger, my glittery plate and dessert plate, as well as my black and silver flatware, and my white and black napkin with my last name initial, my black charger. I got it from Hobby Lobby. My dinnerware, I got it from Home Goods. My napkin, I got it from Hobby Lobby years ago. And my stemware, glassware, I got it from Dollar Tree. My tablecloth, got it from used to belong to my mother. And my flatware, I ordered it online. My centerpiece, my candlesticks, I got those from the thrift store. The candles, I got those from Amazon. My feathers, got those from Amazon. My black roses, I got those from Michael's. My base, I got that from my sister, used to belong to my mother. And my black boa, feather boa, that I made into a stem. I got those from, I want to say Michael's. This is a no spin tablescape that I've had everything on this table for a while. Those were just some random pearls I had as well. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for visiting me. Come back and see me again. And if you get any ideas from this tablescape and you like what you're viewing, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like, and click the bell twice and become a family member. And once you finish viewing my video, please go over and visit Tammy and Ellen's channel and let them know that I sent you. And please do come back and see me again. Thank you so much for visiting me. Bye-bye.